Hi viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are on the website of pcmag.com, pcmag.com, and on this website we are going to read the review of memrise.com. Memrise.com, and on this website we are going to read its review. Memrise, you can say it's a language app. You can say it is going to teach you a language, then you can just earn money with teaching that language to others. The pros: great content for beginners, no limit on number of languages, courses you can study, good customization options and settings. Cons: no guarantee on quality of user generated content. Some lessons only available in the mobile app. Memrise won't make you fluent in a foreign language, but it is an excellent study aid. This web and mobile app goes a long way toward helping you memorize characters, vocabulary, and phrases. It's not just for learning languages either. Memrise also helps you study and learn maths, science, economics, and other subjects. Although language learning really is its main focus, Memrise is interactive, giving you exercises and quizzes. So it's not just another flashcard app. The free tier of service is very good, making it one of our favorite language learning apps and a PC Math Editor's Choice winner. There is a paid membership if you are hungry for more. Continue to site. Okay, there is a paid membership if you are hungry for more. How much does Memrise cost? To set up a Memrise account costs nothing at all. You do need to an account to use the app, but you don't have to give up any payment details. The free account gives you access to a good amount of content both in the web app and mobile app, and there are no ads. But you get more ways to learn additional features such as offline access and by paying for a pro subscription. When we tested Memrise in April 2022, we saw a few different prices on the web and mobile app. The standard rate, according to the mobile app, is $8.49 per month, $89.99 per year, or $199.99 one-time payment for lifetime access. We also saw promotions, which is common with language learning apps. The listed deal price at the time of testing in the mobile app was $44.99 per year. Logging on the web, however, we saw an offer as low as $29.99 per year, with the standard list price showing as $59.99 per year. In short, if you're going to upgrade with Memrise, we recommend looking at the options across both the web and mobile app to make sure you are getting the best price. What does signing up for Memrise Pro get you? It unlocks all features, chief among them adaptive learning technology, meaning the app changes how it teaches you based on your performance. The Pro account also has some statistics when you when when and how much you studied, access to difficult word exercises, meaning exercises that help you work on vocabulary that you have previously gotten wrong in Memrise. How much do other language apps cost? To gauge Memrise value, it helps to have a point of comparison. A good starting point is Duolingo. The app has a great free tier of services and asks $12.99 per month or $83.88 per year for Plus. Quizlet, another popular study app, was advertising a price of $35.99 per year, but that turned into $47.99 per year when we logged on to in our account, or $7.99 per month. Full service language learning apps that provides more rigorous instruction as such as Fluency or Rosetta Stone cost in the vicinity of $100 to $200 per year. Now, what languages you can learn with Memrise? Memrise has content for both English speakers and speakers of the other language. Some of the most popular language courses for English speakers are Arabic, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Russian, and Spanish, European, and Mexican. You can sign up for as many languages as you want. Even if you are a free user, you can use just as you can in Duolingo. Those languages are highlighted because of their popularity and because they have plentiful content that's highly structured and developed in house by Memrise. For example, when studying Korean, you can start with courses called Korean 1, Korean 2, Korean 3, and 4. So those numbered courses are created by Memrise other than users of the service. For any course, the creator's name is next to the name of the course. When you see that Memrise created a course, you can trust that it was vetted for quality. Right? So thank you so much. See you soon in the next video. Before that, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for more updates. Bye bye. Take care.